Okay, although the official release of the iPhone 13 series is still several months away, the rumor mill has been kind enough to share a fair amount of information about the Apple iPhone 2021 lineup. According to a recently leaked report, the iPhone 13 may retain Touch ID. Details about the Touch IDs written come from tipper McGuire Wood, who hints at the Touch ID sensor, but in a different form. According to the source, the sensor will be integrated directly into the iPhone display. Wood goes on to discussion the iOS 15 features, stating that Apple is working on a multi-factor authentication API that will require developers to authenticate their biometrics using both Face ID and Touch ID. While the features have been available on Android for years, if the leaks are correct, the iPhone 13 will be the company's first to see such a significant change in design. Wood tweeted, Touch ID made the final cut on the iPhone 13. However, the source adds, this does not mean it's guaranteed to come, it just means Apple approved it. In terms of iOS 15 features, a recent report from French tech outlet iPhone Soft suggested that Apple is planning to release a revamped control center for iPhones and iPads. According to the report, the control center design is likely to be inspired by macOS Big Sur, and it will also support drag and drop customization. The Cupertino Tech behemoth is expected to reveal key details about the new iOS 15 on June 7 at WWDC 2021. Here's everything we know about the upcoming iPhone lineup based on leaks and rumors about the iPhone 13. Now, the date and price of the iPhone 13 series is expected to debut this fall, following a similar launch timeline to the previous iteration. According to reports, the new iPhone could hit stores' shelves on September 24. While the global pandemic caused a delay in the release of the iPhone 12, Apple's dependable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes that the iPhone 13 will be released on time this year. In the terms of pricing, the new iPhone 13 lineup, like its predecessor, is expected to be expensive. According to reports, the standard model will cost around $920 USD in US, while the high-end model will cost around $1,990 USD. Specifications and features of the iPhone 13 series is expected to release a slew of iPhones this year, including the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. According to ET News, Apple will most likely use a 120Hz refresh rate for the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The standard model is expected to include a Samsung-backed LTPO display. The new iPhone 13 lineup is expected to include an A15 Bionic chip, iOS 15 liquid crystal polymer circuit boards for image processing, up to 512 GB storage, and enhanced camera capabilities with improved night mode. The iPhone 13 series is expected to have a smaller display notch in terms of design. According to recently leaked renders of an allied iPhone 13 Pro dummy unit via Mac or Takara, the earpiece is pushed into the phone's bezels, while the front camera is shifted from the right to the left side, while previous reports predicted that the iPhone 13 would be portless. Ming-Chi Kuo recently refuted this, stating that the iPhone will continue to use the Lightning port in the foreseeable future. In terms of other features, the iPhone 13 is expected to include the new Qualcomm X60 modem and Wi-Fi 6E support. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. please visit my blog. The link is provided in the description, and comes if you liked it, and subscribe if you loved it, and stay tuned for my next video. So see you guys next time. Bye.